Hi Libra, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting the week of 21st Feb. How we'll go about with the video is, the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do this video for. Now while I'm shuffling the cards, please also note tarot should always be used as a guide, so only take what resonates and leave the rest. Now let's quickly see what we have for you this week. What I see for you is you have the Knight of Pentacles, the 10 of Pentacles and the 9 of Wands. Your person has the Queen of Pentacles, the Death card and the Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck I have the Moon card, which is a major arcana, and it also shows that either you or both of you are hiding something that is being done in the dark, and maybe the other person is not aware of it. Now let's see what we have for you this week. With the Knight of Pentacles, okay, it shows that you are moving very slowly and it looks like you are not moving at all, but that's not the case. This is one of the most stable nights, and though you are very slow when you are moving towards this person, you are making sure that it is quite stable and you can build on a stable relationship with this person in the future. Your aim definitely is to go ahead and build with this person. With the 10 of Pentacles, you want to attain that 10 of Pentacles and have a very bright future with them, have all the things in place, but this to an extent causes a lot of exhaustion. You feel the burden of this relationship at times because though you're going slow, you feel that you're the only one who is doing everything when it comes to this particular relationship. Your person has the Queen of Pentacles. With the Queen of Pentacles, this person is very abundant, has all the finances in place, looks pretty good, and a lot of people might also vibe for their attention. They also have the Death card, which means they are looking for some kind of a transformation, and with the Queen of Cups, they also want to offer a lot of love to you. Now let's see what is the intention of this person. They have the Sun card, which is a very bright card, which means a lot of positivity is something that you can expect in this relationship in the future. Okay, now let's take one more card here. Spirit, help me with one more card to understand the intention of this person. The other thing is, this person could be juggling two situations with the two pentacles that I see here, so that's something that you might want to go ahead and be a little careful about. Let's take one more card here. If that's what is happening, Libra, it is very much possible that if you are dealing with two people, this person, when they get to know about it, they will walk away. Or if it is you, you will walk away, because somebody will definitely walk away with the 8 of Cups. Now let's take one card here, which is from the Archangels and a crystal, which can help you in this situation. So the message that I see for you is from Archangel Raziel, which I'll put in the description box. You can read from there. And the crystal is Azurite. The crystal message is, do you want to improve and trust your intuition? Activate your third eye and exercise your sensory gifts, and you receive messages from the divine all the time. It is now time to notice the sign and interpret them and use the inner guidance to create ease in your life. So this card is definitely telling you to go ahead and trust your intuition and your gut feeling. Listen to your intuition and it will help you and guide you to move ahead in your life. Okay. Now that's all I have for you this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.